First things first, Hulk Hogan will be remembered as the greatest superstar in the history of WWE, even bigger than Stone Cold and The Rock. Also, Hulk Hogan will be remembered as a huge racist, a bad human being, and quite possibly the biggest liar in the history of professional wrestling. So, with that out of the way, let's look at some of the most notable reactions to Hulk Hogan's passing at age 71. From Hulk Hogan's own official Instagram account, it is with a heavy heart and deep sadness that we confirm we have lost a legend. Our beloved Terry Bollea, known worldwide as Hulk Hogan, passed away today surrounded by his loved ones. At this time of grief, we ask that everyone please respect the privacy of his family and friends. May we all take solace in the wonderful memories he left behind for the millions of fans worldwide whose lives he touched for more than 4 decades. He will be missed but never forgotten. The Undertaker, who did not like Hulk Hogan in real life, posted the following on X. The wrestling world has lost a true legend. His contributions to our business are immeasurable, and for that I am appreciative. Thank you, Hulk Hogan. Kane wrote the following on X. Hulk Hogan was a true legend. I was fortunate to work with him a couple of times, including this memorable one. It was easy to do a Hulkster impersonation when, like millions of guys my age, I had practiced it in the mirror 1,000 times growing up. R.I.P. Hulk Hogan. One of Hulk Hogan's very close friends, Brutus the Barber Beefcake, wrote the following. Through the good times and the bad, I always loved my brother Terry. I am devastated by the loss of my friend. I only wish we had time to mend our broken friendship before his passing. Until I see you, brother, in the big squared circle in the sky. I love you, Hulk Hogan, R.I.P. For those who don't know, Brutus Beefcake and Hogan had a falling out recently and were not on speaking terms. The President of the United States and Hulk Hogan's friend Donald Trump posted the following. We lost a great friend today, the Hulkster. Hulk Hogan was MAGA all the way, strong, tough, smart, but with the biggest heart. He gave an absolutely electric speech at the Republican National Convention that was one of the highlights of the entire week. He entertained fans from all over the world, and the cultural impact he had was massive. To his wife, Sky, and family, we give our warmest, best wishes and love. Hulk Hogan will be greatly missed. Kurt Angle, another American hero, wrote, R.I.P. Hulkster, thank you for opening up doors for so many people in the business, including myself. There would not be a Kurt Angle without the American-made Hulk Hogan. My heart and prayers go out to his family. We lost a real icon today. Vince McMahon, who rarely tweets now, posted the following on X. The world lost a treasure today. Hulk Hogan was the greatest WWE superstar of all time, someone who was loved and admired around the world. He was a trailblazer, the first performer who transitioned from being a wrestling star into a global phenomenon. His grit and unbridled thirst for success were unparalleled and made him the consummate performer. He gave everything he had to the audience whom he appreciated, respected, and loved. He leaves us with one of his favorite expressions. Train, take your vitamins, and say your prayers. Today, we pray for him. Former WWE superstar Matt Cardona wrote, if it wasn't for Hulk Hogan, I don't know if I would be a pro wrestler or even a pro wrestling fan. R.I.P. Hulkster. Hulkmania will live forever. Hulk Hogan's former WWE rival Sergeant Slaughter wrote the following on X. Saddened to hear about the passing of Hulk Hogan, I guess God needed an incredible angel. R.I.P. my friend. The person who handles the Iron Sheik's account following his death posted a couple of pictures of Sheik and Hogan reacting to Hogan's passing. WWE's Robert Stone wrote, Hulk was the man, period. I often forget I got to work with and film segments with him regularly during his TNA run. Wrestling will never be the same. Real life Bloodline member Zilla Fatu wrote the following, R.I.P. Unk. Charlotte Flair wrote the following on X. When I nearly lost my dad Ric Flair 8 years ago, one of the few people who was there for all of it was Hulk Hogan. My heart breaks for Nick and Brooke. Rest in peace, brother. Charlotte's dad and Hulk Hogan's former WWE and WCW rival Ric Flair wrote the following on Twitter. I am absolutely shocked to hear about the passing of my close friend Hulk Hogan. Hulk has been by my side since we started in the wrestling business. An incredible athlete, talent, friend, and father. Our friendship has meant the world to me. He was always there for me even when I didn't ask for him to be. He was one of the first to visit me when I was in the hospital with a 2% chance of living, and he prayed by my bedside. Hulk also lent me money when Reed was sick. Hulkster, no one will ever compare to you. Rest in peace, my friend. WWE's official Twitter handle wrote the following: WWE is saddened to learn WWE Hall of Famer Hulk Hogan has passed away. One of pop culture's most recognizable figures, Hogan helped WWE achieve global recognition in the 1980s. WWE extends its condolences to Hogan's family, friends, and fans. Ex-WWE superstar Ryback wrote the following: sending positive thoughts, energy, and prayers to Hulk Hogan's family and close friends during this time. Thank you for all the great memories and everything you gave to the business. Every encounter I had left a positive mark. Rest in power, brother. WWE superstar Dominic Mysterio posted a couple of pictures with Hulk Hogan as a tribute to the Hulkster. Kevin Nash, Hulk Hogan's real life friend and NWO stablemate, wrote, I lost another brother. Icon doesn't even touch it. Rest in power, my friend. NWO for life and beyond. Undisputed WWE champion John Cena posted the following photo from WrestleMania 3 on his official Instagram handle, reacting to Hulk Hogan's passing. Former WWE champion JBL wrote, one of the reasons I got into wrestling, Hulk was always so nice to me and was the one celebrity that wanted to see all the kids I brought over from Bermuda. RIP legend, there will never be another. Hulkamania never dies. TNA Wrestling's official Twitter handle posted, I am saddened to learn of the passing of pro wrestling icon Hulk Hogan. Hogan's name was synonymous with professional wrestling, transcending the industry to become an American pop culture fixture. My condolences go out to his fans, friends, and family. Rest in peace. Carlos Silva, TNA President. WWE CCO Triple H wrote, WWE would not be where it is today without the larger-than-life characters that compete in the ring, and few, if any, loomed larger than Terry Hulk Hogan Bollea. He was the archetype of what it meant to be a superstar, a global sensation that inspired millions to work hard at whatever it was they wanted to accomplish, and a look that made him recognizable to fans around the world. Hulk Hogan, clad in red and yellow or NWO black and white, was simply put iconic. As a real American or the leader of one of the industry's biggest factions, he transcended and elevated the entire business to heights never before seen. In every country and on every continent, there was no one like the Hulkster, and there very well may never be another. My family sends their condolences to his family, friends, and fans. AEW commentator and former WCW commentator Tony Schiavone made it clear on Twitter that Hulk Hogan was not his longtime friend, but yeah, he was his co-worker. Jake the Snake Roberts wrote, it's hard to put into words what Terry Hulk Hogan Bollea mean to professional wrestling and entertainment. He may be gone, but his memory and legacy will live forever. RIP Hulkster. AEW's Dustin Rhodes wrote the following, hospitals truly kill people, I really do mean that. WWE superstar The Miz wrote, when I was a kid, I ate my vitamins, said my prayers because Hulk Hogan told me to. He was someone I looked up to, a larger-than-life presence I copied constantly growing up. The voice, flexing, charisma, he made you want to be bold, loud, confident. RIP Hulk Hogan. Sylvester Stallone, who worked with Hulk Hogan in Rocky, wrote, I had the pleasure of meeting this brilliant personality and showman when he was 26 years old. He was absolutely wonderful and his amazing skill made Rocky 3 incredibly special. My heart breaks. I think that he's gone. WCW legend Sting wrote, Hulk Hogan, the greatest of all. Can't thank you enough for all that you did for me and for wrestling fans all over the world. I loved you and I will miss you. My friend Terry Bollea, RIP. Chris Hero took a shot at Hulk Hogan following his passing. It's not hot. WWE veteran Mark Mero wrote, deeply saddened to hear of the passing of my friend and wrestling legend Hulk Hogan. Terry Gene Bollea, known to millions as Hulk Hogan, was more than an icon in the ring. He was a man with a big heart and a genuine desire to help others. He was a proud supporter of my school program Champion of Choices and was always willing to lend a hand. Whether it was recording a promo to help us book school events or signing an autograph for a student who was hurting. One moment that speaks volumes about his character was when he took the time to personally call my friend Delvis Franco, who was battling cancer, just to lift his spirits. I'll truly miss him. He was one of the greats, not just in professional wrestling but in the way he treated people. Rest in peace, Hulkster. You will always be remembered, brother. Stephanie McMahon also paid tribute to Hulk Hogan by posting WWE's tribute message on her Instagram story, as can be seen here.